Hey guys, my name is James Aitken. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Grimace shake. I'm not drinking this, sorry. You will need a half cup of milk, 1 cup of mixed berries, 3 scoops of ice cream, whipped cream, and a blender. You will need to put 3 scoops of ice cream into a blender. Then the mixed berries. Then the milk. Man, I really need to wash my hands. Okay, I'm back. Then we will blend it up. Happy birthday, Grimace! I'll be right back.
This man has finally found the cure to the Grimace shake. You all know that millions of people have fallen victim to the Grimace shake challenge, but did you know that the secret way to drink the Grimace shake is revealed by the voice of Grimace himself? See, Daniel Ross has voiced Grimace for the last 20 years. He recently posted a video on TikTok where he tries the Grimace shake. First he drinks the Grimace shake, and after that acts as if the shake affected him, but it did not. He reveals that the secret to drinking the Grimace shake is to dip a McDonald's French fry in it first. This will counteract the negative effects of the drink and make it safe and delicious. Subscribe if you have survived the Grimace shake.
Okay, I'll grab some French fries. Hello. Yep, I'd like to have the French fries, please. The large one, please. What was that? No, that's it. Thank you. I'm still waiting. Thank you. This recipe is just a fruit shake and not for anything else. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for notifications and smash the like button. James out!